In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a native video on LinkedIn. If you're looking to boost your professional presence or just share a special moment with your network, doing this effectively can make all the difference. We're going to take a simple and straightforward path to make sure you can upload a video without any hitches. First things first, you'll need to access LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's official website. If you aren't logged in already, you'll need to do so next. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Make sure you remember these details to keep the process smooth. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. Here's where you can catch up on your connections updates, explore new jobs, and stay informed on the latest industry news. But today, your focus is on sharing something great with your audience through video. To begin, locate the section on your screen that prompts you to start a post. It's typically right there on your feed, waiting for you to get creative. Clicking on Start a Post is your first step toward video upload. Now, instead of typing a text post or sharing an article, direct your attention to the video option. This should be visible in the choices that appear once you've started a post. Select Video to proceed to the next step. At this point, a dialog or file selection window will pop up, prompting you to locate the video file on your computer or device that you want to share. Navigate to the folder where your video is stored, select the appropriate file, and confirm your selection to upload it. It's important to note that LinkedIn supports a variety of video formats, but it's always a good idea to use common ones like MP4 to ensure compatibility. As the video uploads, you'll have the opportunity to write a caption. This is your chance to engage your viewers right off the bat, so think about including a brief description or context for your video. You can also add hashtags or tag people to enhance reach and engagement. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click the Post button. Congratulations! Your video is now live, ready to reach your network. Remember, native videos often receive more engagement than links to external content, so make sure to monitor interactions, respond to comments, and continue participating in conversations that unfold from your post. By following these steps, you should be able to share captivating content efficiently, enhancing your LinkedIn presence with dynamic, engaging media. Thank you for watching, and happy posting!